welcome to my home. So today we're going to be doing my first cosmetics review. I've been seeing these things on my Instagram where it's pretty much K-beauty, and it's pretty much this foundation stick that's supposed to make skin look even, look smooth, and look flawless. And apparently a lot of Korean guys are using it, so I thought I'd give it a try. I didn't get the one that is from Korea. I got the one that's a cheaper version. I got it on SHEIN. So we're gonna do the unboxing and we're gonna try it out. It's made by a company called Median. And I think I got the wrong color because it's a bit light, I think. So we'll see how it works out. So here it is. Median. And the color that I got was natural, and I think natural is a bit light, but we'll see how it goes. I do have another one coming, which is a darker shade called Wheat. So if this one doesn't work, hopefully the Wheat one will. So let's wash up my face and try it out. Okay, so I just unboxed it, and this is what it is. Right, color is number 1, and it comes with a really good, nice blending brush. It's very, very soft. I've never bought anything like this before, and how it works is pretty much we take off the lid, and here's the product, and take off this cap, I guess. There it is. Okay, a little bit more twist to bring the product. Oh, actually, it's my skin. It's actually pretty, not bad. Okay, let's give it a try. So I'm gonna try half my face. And how it works in the ads is pretty much, some guy's in the shower and he's like, got some blemishes. I don't really have any, but I do have some unevenness. I'm just gonna try and go up, 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 up. And take this and just blend it in. Glides aren't really smooth. My eyes. Got no filters on. Let's turn it back on. What do you think? It doesn't feel greasy. It feels really quite light. I think it is a bit light for my complexion. it doesn't feel caked on, and I just went over the reach area like once. So before, after, before, after. So there you have it. So I think this stuff is pretty legit. I don't think I look really that smooth, but maybe it's just the lighting. I'm gonna take a look in the bathroom once this video is done, and yeah, but otherwise, it doesn't feel greasy at all. Let's see if it comes off. It doesn't come off. But it doesn't look like you're really wearing any makeup. It just makes my skin maybe looks a little bit lighter because of the color. But yeah, so far I give it maybe 2 thumbs up for now. I need to get some female eyes on this. Take a look, and any female viewers, tell me what you think, whether or not it's doing the trick or not. But so far, I think it looks okay. So that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe for more. And when I get the next color in, the wheat colored one, I'll do part 2 of this vlog, and we'll see how that goes. So until the next one, bye!